Bonjour. I think I'm going to take off my glasses. I wanted to see, but this is just for reading. So let me see. I take off my glasses. Okay. My hairdo is a little bit different today. I put my hair up. Okay, so we're still in the Unité 11. We have two deadlines again, le 4 septembre et le 7 septembre. And we always start, I wanted to mention that for last week and I forgot, but you see the same pattern every time. We start with the vocabulaire, and the vocabulaire for this unité, it's still about technology, but it keeps progressing. So it's divided actually in two parts, because when you see in your v-text, or if you have your textbook, you'll see unité 11A et unité 11B, so it's split in two. Anyway, so this week, for the two deadlines, le 4 et le 7 septembre, the vocabulaire with the pronunciation, so you know how to pronounce different words. And so this way you have some exercises to complete, some blanks. Either you watch a video or just you listen to an audio part. So every week there will always be something like that. Now we have, as far as the grammar, we have two verbs very easy there. We call them the verbs of the second group because they end in ER or IR in English, such as offrir et ouvrir. So as you can see, I have my notes on the left, so I don't forget anything. I've got plenty of notes. So those verbs are very easy. So the present tense, that's what you're doing right now. For instance, ouvrir, to open, j'ouvre, tu ouvres, il ouvre, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, ils ouvrent. So your ending will be E, E-S-E, O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T. So it's very straightforward. The same for the other one, offrir, to offer, j'offre, tu offres, il offre, nous offrons, vous offrez, ils offrent. So even though the infinitive is written with ER, when you conjugate it, I was going to say you damp, no, that will not be very nice. You drop the last two letters, in this case ER, IR, and you just replace them by E, okay? And now we have this big tense, very easy, le conditionnel, and in English you say the same, I mean you use the same conditional. So for instance, if I take the verb parler, to speak, je parlerai si j'avais le temps. I would speak if I had the time. Je parlerai russe si je pouvais. I would speak Russian if I could. So you have the same tense, conditional ou conditionnel en français. So the endings are IS, IS, AIT, IONS, IOZ, IENT. So now you'll notice that when you learn the future, I will speak, je parlerai, and the conditional I would speak, je parlerai. So it sounds the same, kind of tricky, but the ending with the conditionnel, it's S at the end. So when you write it down, we can tell the difference, and also with the context, obviously. So let's see, the websam, it's again, every week will be the same pattern, split in different étapes or step. So the websam, that's your online homework on the Espace Super site. And so your websam, this is your homework to apply what you just learned with the vocabulaire and the grammaire, the PowerPoints, in this case the conditionnel and the verb offrir et ouvrir, okay? And there is two things about the culture this week. You have one about Bruxelles or Brussels, that's very easy. That's in the section of panorama in your v-text, very easy. And also now I introduce you to my blog, my cultural blog called Le Français avec du flair. And you'll have to register, it's for free obviously. And so this is interactive, so you need to make your comments in French as much as you can, and so your classmates can comment on what you said. So you'll see the subject, les congés payés. So les congés payés means basically paid vacation. That's not really something you do in this country. Actually, yeah, if you work for some big companies or in schools, universities, when there is a summer break, for instance, you still get paid. But in France, that's pretty much universal. If you work for a company, you get your vacations paid. So that's interesting. Everybody likes this. So this is your first subject in that blog, which is outside the Blackboard. Anyway, so you just register and create your own password. And every time you make a comment, I get your answer and I answer you. Okay, so you get your points, obviously, because this is an assignment. And finally, as far as recording, because remember every week, oh, I was going to fall. Every week you have some type of audio, either with a partner or individual. This time this week, this is an individual recording. So you have to record a poem, and you can see the text in Blackboard. And so you're going to listen to the narrator first, as far as the pronunciation, and after you record your voice. So listen to what he says, and you have the text anyway, so you can follow what he says. So this is just an excerpt. It's not. It's a fairy tale actually. It's not the entire tale, but it's not a. I said a poem, but it's not a poem. It's just part of a fairy tale. So you're just going to read it, so I can judge your pronunciation. Okay. So take your time. Don't speak too fast. Certainly not as fast as me. And that's it. And you send me your recording. Voila, as we say en français. So, and again, any questions, something you don't understand, it's not clear, whatever, it's fine with me. Let me know, and I'm here to help you. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée ou bonne soirée et à bientôt. Au revoir.